No, 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 no.
Long enough, also, right? Feeling ko you weren't at your best. And Sen naman, the beginning was very shaky. Sorry. Very shaky. Parang, you had better performances before. But pagdating sa sa counterpoint, you both did a good job naman. But individually,
Sayo ka.
Planning? Kung ako gagawa ng ganong klase, counter, merong mga iba yung song, definitely malilito ko nun. And I should say that they did it.
Oy!
Kasi naman ang idol mo.
Yeah. I think yung good part about that, but yun nga lang.
Sabi mo, no, 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 no. O, yung ganun sayaw, ganun, no, ganun. James! Oy! Ganun sayaw, o ganito, o, tigam si Tato.
yung feeling ko sa'yo, magaling kang singer, kaso naging hot lang sa'yo. Yung physical part, naging hot lang. Hindi mo tuloy magawa yung mga susunod gawin. Alam ito, pero hindi magawa.
O, dok naman.
You have to check that out. Situation.
O, sabi mo naman, ano, yung pangit ang mukha. Paano yung pangit ang mukha? Dali, pangit ang mukha.
It's more about what ka lang mawawala than sila lang eh.
O, ano naman? No? 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 Sabi mo, no? 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 Oy! Sabi mo, no? 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 O, pangit ang mukha, pangit. Patingin na pangit ang mukha. O, sayo, ganito. Sayo si Tato. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Patingin ng ngipin, patingin ng ngipin.
Several times.